पाएंगे?
आई थिंक लव का लैंग्वेज इतना अलग होता नहीं है. आई थिंक अगर आप कह रहे हैं कि एक पॉपकॉर्न रोमांस नहीं है, ये नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं है. और वो आशिकी में भी नहीं था और वो विलन में भी नहीं था. आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट. बट व्हाट इज़ अनयूजुअल अबाउट इट के कहीं ना कहीं ये एक कहानी ऐसी हो सकती है जो आपकी आसपास किसी ने आपको सुनाई होगी. कहीं ना कहीं आशिकी एक स्टार की कहानी थी, पर ये कहानी आपकी खुद की हो सकती है, आपके मदर की हो सकती है, आपके फादर की. इट कैन बी समवन दैट यू नो, योर सिस्टर, ब्रदर. इसमें जो, क्योंकि इसकी जो सोर्स है जो भट्ट साहब ने कहीं ना कहीं लिखी है, वो कहीं ना कहीं अपनी खुद की ज़िंदगी से, अपने पेरेंट्स की लाइफ से, इमरान की पेरेंट्स की लाइफ से, कहीं ना कहीं उन्होंने उधर से ही ड्रॉ करके ही इज़ मेड रेफरेंसेज ऑफ अ फिल्म लाइक दिस. और मैंने अक्सर ये देखा है कि जितना आप पर्सनलाइज करो कहानी को, वो उतनी यूनिवर्सल होती है. इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रेंज थिंग. मैंने देखा है कि अक्सर जब कहानी ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल या खुद होती है, ज़्यादा लोगों को छूती है. आई डोंट नो हाउ. Ashiki.
Ashiki too. Doing really, really well at the box office. You know, this question for all three of you. Do you think it all boils down to content is king?
Trend now in the industry, we've seen that the film drives itself. And when you have a film that has powerful content that goes and connects to a lot of people, and that's what we were just saying in the last interview, you can't bulldoze the audience into a hall just by some marketing push. There has to be some soul in the marketing push, and that soul comes from the content in the film. So we have seen that films that might even start off slow go for long runs in the and they endure for weeks together. So it's a great trend that films are working for films, and when the audience comes in, and there's no better publicity than word of mouth, and we all know that when the audience comes out of a 12 o'clock show on the first day, they either make or break a film. So when they go out there and tell their friends and family that go watch this film, it's a very unique film, that reaches my ears also. It somehow just spreads very fast, and that's the best way to judge a successful
surprisingly
film.
doesn't work with celebrities tweeting about and saying that the film is very good. It's really amazing.
Yeah, people have started looking through
it's
those
amazing.
things.
It's
Yeah.
amazing that people say that about certain films, or they still don't go watch it. But if a friend of yours, probably a person you don't even like, who says, "Oh, that film is really good," you might still go watch it. I don't know why.
Imran, music plays a very important role in all your films as of now. So what about this film? What role does music play in this?
I think music has been playing a vital role, not just in my career, and a lot of actors in films, to drive a central emotion, because Hindi films are all about that unique melody that kind of runs through the film, that becomes almost like a spine for the film and what it has to offer. So yes, I've been very grateful that in my films I've had enormous success through also the soundtracks of my films, and very memorable ones. Hamari Adhuri Kahani, without mincing my words, I can say is that if I have to look back at my career and see all those albums, and a lot of them, thankfully to all the music directors and directors who have made that possible, this would be up there with the best. Maybe a track like Hamari Adhuri Kahani or Eh Hum Nawa, it's something that will really move you, and you'll know this when you see the film. So I don't know harp too much about it, but when you go into a cinema hall and see this film, if you're not moved to tears with the romance, and which is heightened by the music of maybe when Hamari Adhuri Kahani, the title track plays, you will be moved to tears in the film, and that's the power of also the music that kind of lifts the emotion in the film.
जैसे विद्या ने अपनी रियल लाइफ की अधूरी कहानी बताई, आपकी रियल लाइफ में कुछ ऐसा है?
Well, thankfully मेरी कहानी पूरी होगी, क्योंकि मेरी शादी हो गई और अभी 9 साल से हम हैप्पीली मैरिड. लेकिन आई थिंक हम सब की ज़िंदगी में जिसका एक ट्रैजिक एंड हो जाता है, वो कहीं वो आपको एक सोलमेट मिलता है, एंड यू आर वेरी कंफर्टेबल अराउंड. तो आई थिंक हम सब की ज़िंदगी में वो एक पल, वो एक इंसान आके चला जाता है, एंड वी wished we could hold on to that person. So yes, like all of us, I think even I've had that.